Hello everyone and welcome to Vlinko's channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix keyboard shortcuts not working on Windows 11. And now, let's get started. If your keyboard shortcuts are associated with the function key, you may need to press the FN key, typically found in the bottom left corner of your keyboard, along with the shortcut key. For other shortcut issues, let us explore some settings. Right-click on the Start button, then select Settings. Navigate to Accessibility, scroll down, and select Keyboards. Ensure that the three options listed here are unchecked or turned off. Next, locate the option for Underline excess keys. You will need to turn this option on. This setting will underline excess keys even when you are not holding the Alt key. Normally, holding the Alt key displays all available shortcut keys. Another effective solution is to update your keyboard drivers. Open the Windows search bar and type Device Manager, then open it. Expand the section for keyboards. Right-click on the first keyboard driver listed and select Update Driver. Repeat this process for the second keyboard driver if available, right-clicking and selecting Update Driver again. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.